Hey everyone, I am Dr. Sunita Naik, Senior Consultant Dermatologist at Kaya. I have been with Kaya for last 11 years. Now Kaya in India is for 17 years and we have done more than 35,000 hair treatments since 2015. Today I am going to answer all those questions which cross your mind when you hear a word hair fall. There are different factors responsible for hair fall. The external factors like water quality, environmental stress, different hair care regime or chemical treatments of hair, hair management. The internal factors could be like your hormonal imbalance, long-term illnesses, aging of scalp, nutritional deficiencies like protein or vitamin D3 or iron deficiencies. Other factors are also responsible like your follicular blockage or hair papillae depletion, aging of scalp, dandruff. You observe thinning of hair from all over your head. So this is called telogen effluvium. The second type could be a localized patchy where you see hair loss in patches. Here at Kaya, the solutions are customized from person to person depending on your hair loss type. The entire service is carried out by a certified dermatologist. The home remedies and the salon treatments are temporary and cosmetic and the results will wear out eventually. For permanent solution, you need to visit a dermatologist. Kaya will always offer you a permanent solution as against a temporary solution given by the salon, making it a better solution. When there is moderate to severe kind of hair fall leading to reduction in hair density and more of scalp visibility, PRP, the platelet-rich plasma therapy is suggested. Here we collect your blood under aseptic precautions and this is injected into your scalp under cream anesthesia. So by delivering your body's own plasma which contains crucial growth factors, we stimulate the number of hair follicles and thereby increase the hair density by natural regeneration process. So this will eventually lead to increased density of your scalp and reduce the hair fall along with it. Minimum 3 sessions are required to see improvement in your hair loss pattern with this treatment. So the second hair fall treatment which we offer at Kaya is intensive hair root therapy, which is IHRT or a Nutri infusion. So this is offered to those who are dealing with mild hair fall, bad hair texture, dull undernourished hair or health or nutrition led hair fall. The low grade diode laser helmet is applied for 20 minutes which improves the blood circulation to your scalp, and then later on there are 2 ways of doing it. First is Nutri infusion where the charged ions are used to deliver the nutrient cocktail to go beneath the scalp, which is done by a therapist. And the second way of doing it is with micro injections. The nutrient cocktail is injected into the scalp by a dermatologist. So this will improve the hair density by reducing the hair fall and improving the hair texture as well. So minimum 12 sessions are required to see good results with this treatment. With the current scenario of COVID, people are hesitant to come out of the house, but I can assure at Kaya you are in a safe zone. We follow WHO compliant safety measures. All the staff is in PPE suit. You will have an extensive contactless experience. More than 60 plus safety measures are taken at Kaya. This is the only UVC sanitized clinic chain in India. So if you have any hair fall concerns or other problems related to your hair, please don't hesitate to come to Kaya. Here we are equipped with the latest technologies to take care of your hair, so making Kaya a better solution for you.